to define educational research as a scientific research. To address the issue, we first need to figure out what scientific research is. Empiricism means get their understanding and comprehension by their practical experiences. Rationalism mainly relies on people's reasoning and thinking. Deductive and inductive methods are two important patterns in people's thinking and reasoning. Deductive method was initiated by Aristotle from the general to the specific. For example, all birds can fly. The sparrow is a bird. Then the sparrow can fly. Inductive method mainly employs observation and experiences. By observing the specific subjects, people can generalize the theory about the population. This method was developed by Francis Bacon. The scientific method is inductive rationality. That means the researchers observes the subjects or participants, then generalize the findings to a population, gives the explanation, and develops the theory. The scientific method has specific steps and criteria. The criteria include 4 important standards. First of all, control of the bias. Secondly, quest for precision. And thirdly, verification. Researchers understand that they can make mistakes, and their findings and the results need to be confirmed or rejected by other experts or scientists. Theory construction. This is very important in the scientific research. And when the hypotheses or assumptions are rejected or confirmed, researchers need to give explanations. This procedure is called the theory construction. The steps of the scientific is from the specific to the general. First of all, researchers collect, then analyze data. Finally, interpret and report the findings. After reviewing the steps and criteria of the scientific research, we turn to how to justify the educational research as scientific research. The scientific research initially occurred in the physical area. We know that important people contributed to the rising of the science. And Newton. 18th century and the early 20th century. The social science, the studies of human behaviors, also claimed their science position. Educational research, they said that we can also control bias, we can also pursue the precision. We can also develop the theory. From that period on, more and more people acknowledged that the human behavior studies can also be considered as a science because they use the scientific method. You know, science has three meanings. First of all, it's a subject field. Somebody still thinks that science just means the physical field, this physical area. The second meaning is the scientific method. The science means a knowledge inquiry method. Finally, the third meaning of the science meaning of science is knowledge from the scientific, In the early 20th century, some important development in the educational research areas changed people's perspective on the educational research. These developments include: in 1890, Cattell published the mental tests and measurements. In 1905, Binet and Simon developed the intelligence scale. And in 1910, Thorndike designed the handwriting scale. Because of this kind of methods and the instruments development, scientific research are able to claim that educational research is also a scientific inquiry based